Hello, and welcome to UKBullion's latest video. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin by Rands Refinery. The Big 5 collection is one of the most sought-after and prestigious coin collections in the world. The collection is comprised of 5 coins, each featuring a different animal: the lion, leopard, rhinoceros, buffalo, and elephant. The obverse of the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin features the elephant displaying its trunk. The reverse displays a close-up image of 2 elephants side by side, along with the purity of 999.9. The coin has a face value of 50 Rand. Not only is the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin a stunning piece of art, it also has great investment potential. Gold has historically been a safe and stable investment, and coins such as the Big 5 collection are highly sought after by collectors and investors alike. If you're interested in adding the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin to your collection, head over to our website at UKBullion.com. We offer competitive prices and fast, secure shipping. Don't miss out on this stunning addition to the Big 5 collection. Thanks for watching. We hope you're as excited about this stunning coin as we are.